mathematics concept properties of determinants. There are total 7 properties of determinants. Property first, the value of determinant remains unchanged if its rows are turned into columns and columns are turned into rows. Example here, determinant D of order 3 by 3. We are calculating its value along the first row. So first row elements are selected here as a 2, 1 and 3. We take signs as alternating plus, minus and plus as per the position of elements. So first element positive, that is 2, into subdeterminant obtained by eliminating corresponding row and column. Remaining entries are -3, 1, 0, -3 in next determinant. Next sign is minus. Minus of element 1 into determinant obtained by eliminating that corresponding row and column. Remaining entries are 2, 1, 2, -3. Last element plus 3 into eliminated that row and column. Remaining entries in determinant 2, -3, 2, 0. Solving these determinants of order 2 by 2, we get here -3 into -3, 9, minus of 0, 2 multiplied 9 minus 0, -1 into 2 into -3, -6, -2 into 1, 2, that is -6 minus 2. Next plus 3 multiplied with determinant value 2 into 0, 0, minus 2 into -3, -6. So 0 minus of minus become plus. So 0 plus 6. Calculation value 9 into 2, 18. Next -6 minus 2, -8. -8 into -1, that become plus 8. And last 3 into 6, 18. Check for total here. We are getting 18 plus 18, 36. 36 plus 8, that is 44. Value for determinant is 44. Now I am applying here property first. That is property interchanging rows and columns. Let us see. Statement here, suppose rows and columns are interchanged. That is first row you are writing as a first column. Observe here, determinant next one, D1, that is equal to first row 213 expressed as a first column 213. Second row 2 minus 3 1 expressed as second column 2 minus 3 1. Next third row as a third column 2 0 minus 3. Now we check here value for determinant after interchanging rows and columns along first row again. Determinant value along first row, elements 2, 2, 2. Signs are taken as a plus, minus and plus. Determinant D1 value 2 multiplied by eliminated row and column, remaining entries -3, 0, 1, -3 in determinant. Next sign -2. Eliminated first row, second column, entries 1, 0, 3, -3. Last plus 2 into subdeterminant, eliminated that row and column. Remaining elements are 1, -3, 3, 1. Calculating this determinant value, we get here 2 multiplied by, check, -3 into -3, that is 9. 9 minus of 0, obtain value here. Next -2 multiplied, -3 minus 0, and last plus 2 multiplied 1 minus of -9, that become 2 into 1 plus 9. total values. 9 minus 0, 9, 9 multiplied with 2, 18. Next, minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3, multiplied with minus 2, product is plus 6. And last, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 into 2, 20. 20 plus 6, 26, 26 plus 18 is equal to 44. Value for determinant is obtained same 41. Hence, determinants D and D1 both having same values. Property first prove here for any determinant if you interchange rows and columns, value of determinant remains unchanged. Property second, continue. Statement is if any two rows of determinants are interchanged, then the value of determinant changes its sign. Any two rows, otherwise any two columns of determinants are interchanged, then the value of determinant changes by its sign. Simple thing, if you are given determinant answer, so determinant for calculation, answer is obtain a positive value and you are interchanging any two rows, otherwise any two columns, then its sign will be get the change. Numerical value remains same as it is. It changes only by the sign. Let us see example. I am taking here same as a determinant D. This determinant value is 44. I am applying here operation as suppose R1 and R3 are interchanged. That means first row and third row are interchanged, denoted mathematically by the symbol double implication arrow. R1 interchange with R3. R1 interchange with R3. Determinant D2 writing suffix here. Interchanges first and third row. Observe determinant D. First row is 213. Here taken it as a third row 213. And here third row is 20 minus 3. It is taken as a first row 20 minus 3. That is interchanging first and third row. We obtain this new determinant. There is not the any change in the second row. We check here value for this determinant after interchange of first and third row. Solving this determinant again along the first row. Elements from first row selected, signs taken as plus, minus and plus as per their positions. Determinant value along first row, 2 multiplied, elements of that row and column eliminated. Remaining entries minus 3, 1, 1, 3 in determinant. Next value, minus of 0 into determinant 2, 1, 2, 3. Next, minus, plus and minus, it become minus. So minus of 3 into eliminated row and column, remaining 4 elements, 2 minus 3, 2, 1 in next determinant. One more thing here, children, remember that 0 multiplied determinant, no need to write also. Its value is getting product directly 0. Next step here, performing 2 multiplied determinant value minus 9 minus 1. 2 multiplied minus 9 minus 1. Next minus 0 multiplied, no need to write. My plus minus become minus 3. 2 into 1 2, minus of 2 into minus 3 minus 6. That is minus minus plus, you will get answer as a 2 plus 6. Check for total, minus 9 into 1 minus 10, minus 10 into 2 minus of 20, minus 0. Next 2 plus 6, 8, 8 into 3, 24, minus of 24, minus 20, minus 24, minus 44, that is minus of D. Hence, After interchanging rows and columns, determinant value changes by sign only. This is the second property. Let us continue with property third. Statement: if any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of determinant is 0. Simple property here. Any two rows, otherwise any two columns are identical, then the value of determinant is here 0. Let us see example. Determinant D given here 3, 1, 5. Next row 2, 4, 1 and third row 3, 1, 5. Observe in this determinant, first row and third row both are identical. We have to check, is it answer of determinant is getting 0 or not. Solving determinant along first row. First row elements 3, 1, 5. Signs are taken as per position as a plus, minus and plus. First element plus 3 into first row, first column eliminated. Remaining entries 4, 1, 1 and 5. Next sign minus of 1 into eliminated that row and column. Remaining 4 elements 2, 1, 3, 5. Last plus 5 into eliminated that row and column, we get 2, 4, 3, 1. Next, solving determinant of order 2. 4 into 5, 20. Minus 1 into 1, 1. That is 3 multiplied 20 minus 1. Next, minus 1 into 2 into 5, 10. Minus 3 into 1, 3. 10 minus 3. Last plus 5 into 2 minus 12. Check totals. 20 minus 1, 19. 19 into 3, 57. 10 minus 3, difference 7. 7 into minus 1, minus of 7. And last, 2 minus 12, minus 10. Minus 10 multiplied with 5, minus 50. 57 minus 750 minus 50, it becomes 0. Value for determinant is obtained here 0. So simple property, if any two rows or any two columns are identical, the value of determinant is always 0. Next property 4, statement of property. If each element of a row or column of determinant is multiplied by constant k, the value of new determinant is k times the value of given determinant. Simple thing, any particular row or a column is multiplied by constant k, then value of determinant, it will be get multiplied by the k. Let us see with example. We have already solved determinant this 2 1 3 2 minus 3 1 2 0 minus 3 in first two properties. We got answer of determinant as a 44. We have already solved this determinant answer 44. Now here applying property 4 multiplied by a constant k. I am selecting here constant as a 2 and it is multiplied to the first row. R1 is multiplied by 2, symbolically expressed as R1 change as 2 times R1. Symbol for implication. R1 implies 2 times of R1. अरे थांबा जरा, तुम्हाला बोलायला मी चान्स देतोय. व्हॅल्यू इज ऑफ 10. ठीक आहे, एकच मिनिट हा. determinant value, take a second.
Like, comment, and subscribe my channel.